Yo, yo, yo. What up, what up, what up? Yo, I just banged this for like 200. I'm working my way back. I told you, I knew we were going to low a day. I knew we were going to low a day. Just had a hold. What up, Garen? Now I'm looking for a long.
The Nasdaq 100 extends dropped to 1%, a session low.
Oh, man. I'm looking for long skis. I'm looking for long skeets. By the way, I posted that in the Discord that the short was looking primed. It was looking good. Now I got to get to I had to get all my stuff up real fast. Claude just fucked everything up. Oh, I'm just trying to get there. Yo, what up? I was in it. I should have held. Should have held. I'm just trying to get to my shit. Boom. Ah, here we go. Oh, baby. What up, Jose? Dude, it's crazy. I'm gonna need a close over like 239. Oh man, you know what that smells like? It smells like fucking gains. Smells like gains. Your stuff is lagging. Yeah, if it's lagging, don't be. Yeah, that was crazy. I should have held. Well, nah, I'll be honest with you. I just kind of was like, we'll probably sweep and come back. So, like, my target was hit. I can't say I was going to hold this much longer. I wasn't going to hold that much longer. All right, we're going to. Yo, look at Jay. Jay, you're riding that down. I think there's more left in the tank before we come up, but I am looking for a long at this point. I mean, we just We just took out overnight lows. So I'm watching. Waiting. Come on. Dude, if it's lagging, I wouldn't be doing shit. Yo. Right over his head. Right over his head. Yo, somebody. What up, Arrow? Somebody called his account Big Bertha. So I wrote Big, capital B, Bertha, capital B, cooking, capital C. Went right over his head. Right over his head. Maybe. No, it didn't. I just seen his reply. Fucking. I didn't see the reply. Ah, come on. I'm only looking for longs now. Jeez. I go right back. I make one more decent trade and I'm back to zero with these things. And I'm up in these other fucking accounts. Man, I'm not going to lie. These 150s, man, you got to make so much freaking money to pass them, dude. So much money to pass them. Like fucking $9,000. I was like, oh, I'm up 270 today. And I'm like, that's not even a fucking dent in those accounts. 270? Bro, if you're making just call it 300, it's gonna take me 30 fucking days to pass that thing. 30 days is gonna take to pass that thing. Oh, take profit trader 150K. $238. This goes over. I'm in. Full port long. Cross your fingers. Yo, I mean, I like it. Was it 238, 240, whatever it is on my chart? 239. Yo, I just realized, why didn't this thing trigger in? Bro, did that not fucking trigger in? No, it didn't. That's weird. Why did this not trigger in? Man, there's always fucking something. There's always something. How could that not trigger in? I don't know. Anyways, I'm looking to probably take this up right here. I'm waiting for a close. We get a close, I'm in. We're right there. My stop is going to be low a day, if you were wondering. So, are you in long, Alana? Are you still in long?
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled.
Hmm. You think we take it back down? I don't want that negativity. I want to see it hold and go up. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Nah, I have take profit trader accounts. Yeah, I have take profit trader accounts, my fund the future accounts, bull nuts accounts, tradeify accounts, lucid. It's all my. I can only bring up what I can bring up on the screen. Um, the fuck was it? I was just gonna do something. Bro, I was literally just gonna do something.
Order filled.
I'm out. It just got invalidated. I was literally just gonna freaking do something, and I don't know what it is. Oh, here it is. Oh, man. What happened in TPT if some profits are made holding some trades through news? Evals are fine if you're holding funded accounts. You just can't hold them during the big news. Like, what news are you talking about? Nah, just once a day. Just once. Once a day. You don't even need to do your email. I think I got rid of email. Or I was going to get rid of email today. Just YouTube name. All I need is YouTube name. I am curious on why this. I don't know why it just didn't take that, but I'm glad it didn't. It only takes the IFVGs until noon. After noon, it doesn't take it anymore. Interesting. I did not know that. Probably wouldn't have traded it then. Definitely shoe size. Oh. 5 minutes rejecting. Oh man, this thing's gonna just freaking unload out. I mean, if you wanted to, you could take a short and stop out at 52. I'm watching this. What up, BK? What you been up to? Oh. Man, I'm just looking at some of these stocks, seeing what they're doing. I'm just reducing my exposure. Yo. That sucks. Well, at least you're working. At least you're doing stuff. Even the dump isn't as. I mean, that's 50 points, kind of 50, 60 points. Who's texting me? I'm in this fucking fantasy group. Well, yo, I'm gonna ask Klarner. Yo, I'm gonna ask, what's the big buy now, pay later apps?
NYMEX WTI crude September futures settle at $87.83 a barrel, up $2 and or 2.33%. NYMEX diesel September futures settle at around $4.48 a gallon. NYMEX gasoline September futures settle at around $3.26 a gallon, and NYMEX natural gas September futures settle at around $2.73.
I might take the short here on the 5 minute. What's up, Remusic? Oh, Affirm. I just told people in the fantasy football if I can do a Klarna app, a Klarna link. I don't even know. I'm in a fantasy football league. I only know one guy, and I talk so much shit in it, and I don't even know any of these people. Yo, Cove, can you make a trading view like platform? Just ask. Yo, I can. I'll call it Project Z. Yo, I'll just copy it like fucking I'm Topstep, except have no functionality, and then be like, "Hey guys, you can now set price alerts. This is awesome." It's like, yo, you could set fucking price alerts for the last 15 fucking years on TradingView. Why is this now like should be celebrated? I'm actually laughing that you guys couldn't set price alerts prior.
Order filled.
Bitcoin extends gains, last up 5.11%.
Order filled.
Yo. We're gonna test something out right now. Come on! Not gonna lie, loving the fucking break even button. You thought it was a secret agent?
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, now look, it's got to go through my fucking trade log right now. Yeah, I'll just shut I'll just shut it off. I don't care. There, I lowered it. Yo, he wants one of those pansy voices that are like, order filled. Gotta slam it. I want to see if it kind of holds below this purple line. If it was Trading View, I can. I can't do it on Tradeivy. Yo, it'd be like Samuel L. Jackson. Order filled, motherfucker. I could do it with Ninja Trader. Bro, it's so crazy. I just lowered it. I just lowered it. Can I tag the bot? You can tag anything you want. What do you want to do? Yo. Should I change it to something like that? Yo. What would you like me to change it to? Yo, imagine hearing that all fucking day. They call her Bubbles. To dramatic? I'm not using that. Dude, whoever uses that's the fucking worst. I'm not using that. Bro. Yo, I don't know what the fuck just happened there. Yo, it sounds like I'm going to lose every trade with dramatic on.
Order filled. Order filled.
Man, if they can freaking get low right here. In Ninja Trader, I can set whatever I want. I could make my own voice about order filled. Oh, are we not gonna come get? Oh, is this just what we're doing right now? I honestly don't blow many accounts. I am done when the trade setups stop coming, but I also reduce my exposure. Like, you see all these accounts, I didn't trade these today because these went red. So I'm not just going to go to the next set of accounts. These are my only accounts I'm red on, and then I'm green on a bunch of other accounts. And I just limit my exposure to the downside. I'm not just going to start lighting up new accounts. I stick to these. I work these back green if I can, and that would be my day. I just wait for what's good. Yeah. I don't start sizing up. I don't start fucking rage trading or whatever, That's not what I'm doing. But I will say I'm out if we break this high, I'm out. Renko bars are hard to back test, just an FYI. I think if this does give up 200, you're going to flush into close. Like, you'll just absolutely flush into close. Otherwise, if we don't flush, I don't even think it's going to go back up. I think you're going to close the day right around here. If this doesn't flush, I think we're going to close somewhere in this range. I don't think we're going to pump. Yo! Seems like... Yo, so you got 300 pairs of special socks now? Yeah, so testing it on Ninja is all messed up. The results are going to look better than they are. So what people don't know is anytime you backtest like
Order filled. Order filled.
Hike-ins or anything like that, stop copying. Anytime you backtest like Hike-ins, Renkos, any of that shit, it's always going to look better than it really is. That's what a lot of people that are selling you fucking indicators. Anything that also buys and sells really fast, like for like 5 points or something like that, the back test is usually fucking wrong. I'm just being honest with you. So if you ever see an indicator
Brent
that
crude futures settle at $93.78 a barrel, up $2.16.
if you ever see an indicator that has like they show you a screenshot and it's making a lot of trades for a small amount of gain, the back test is kind of fucked. Like 95% of the time, just an FYI. It's something I've noticed. Something I have noticed. Also, there are some that you should also put on Ninja Trader and run the back tester there also. So if someone's not running it on Ninja Trader as well as TradingView, they're sometimes they probably don't know, but it's not as good as you think it is. Yeah. But people just don't know, and I'm not here to tell them, but yeah. That's the truth. I don't think this goes up. Yeah, BK. I think people don't realize you got to test it in the real environment. So this is what you got to do. So you can do it a lot of different ways. But here, I'll show you what my Ninja looks like. So I have two Ninjas, one on this computer and one on another one. So you can go to strategies and put in strategies here, and then it'll just run the strategies for you. This isn't even the one I run strategies on. And that is in the live environment. And then you'll see accurately what it's worth, what it is. Yeah. They just don't fucking know. Now, if you have a strategy and the take profit is like 80 points and the stop loss is like 50 points, it's probably going to be more accurate because now there's a good amount there is no like in and out taking advantage of like the candles and the entries and shit like that. When you start going to the bigger back tests, that's we close over this. I'll end up taking this. That's when it gets more accurate. Yeah, when it has more room to move. Yeah. So like I'll just show you because like here's one. The fuck was I working on? All right. So I was working on this. And that has like a profit target. Like that is like a massive trend indicator that runs normally you're in the trade for like 45, 50 minutes. That's probably going to be more accurate rather than some of this other shit that's like in and out. That you have to do. Cove, you are making me sweat with that hoodie on. I got the AC pumping in here, man. Yo, it's so funny when I jump off this, I'll be sitting here with no shirt on, just freaking working. But I can't do that on the stream. Yeah, well, people don't realize that when you backtest like the entries and exits, after doing it a lot, you kind of get like, I know if this is gonna work or not. You can tell you can tell a lot of times by the curve, the profit curve. Like if it's really smooth, if somebody shows you a profit curve and it's like super fucking smooth with no drawdowns, it's probably not working right. I'm trying to find some. I had some really good ones that were like It's very. I'm just gonna be real. It's super easy to manipulate some of this shit, but some of it's really good. Nah, I don't have it running right now, but I just came across something that I want to run. I'm looking at my old screenshots, actually. My old screenshots, I should start loading this on my website. Like, I have old screenshots with strategies, and so, like, something like this. If you see somebody post something like this where it's kind of fucking, it's fucking bullshit. Just throwing it out there. I've been adding stuff. I want to add it to this area. I'll show you. So I have scoreboard. So in here is all the different testing that I've been doing. 15-minute FVG, first touch bounce, profit target, like I want to add to this shit. So man, it's just fighting here. 5 shots at a time. Dude, I was good. But yeah, I have notes on here. And then some of them, there's links. So I don't know what this is. Opening structure. And then it just talks about the setup, why it matters. You had some wine? If I were to go trade gold, I would use it. I never used it on NQ. That was a gold only thing. And gold just stopped moving how it was moving. So I stopped. Gold was taking like way too long to make the moves that I wanted. Would it work today? I don't know, man. You could have probably caught, like, this would have been a winner. Not really. Not really what I want to see. I only traded it using fib retracements on gold, and it was great until it wasn't. Um it was great. I'm thinking about going long, Alana. I have like I'm ready. I got my finger on the button. Nah, it's not going to give it to me. Ooh, is it? We got 20 seconds. Come on. Come on. Just pump a little bit. A little pump. Give me it. Oh, man. It's not going to do it. Oh, it didn't do it. Oh, now if I take this, it's prematurely and it's on me for being an idiot, and I take this early.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I think we can get to 77, and 93 is probably going to be the top. 93 ish. Let's see what happens. I want to see a pop. I wonder why it's not triggering it on my screen. There we go. Just flashed green. I want to see us close over this 54 on the 5, and then I'll be really happy. Especially if we got like a 5-minute up candle or rest candle, and then this 5-minute goes up. That would look really good. Spit out her drink? That's for quitters, man. I meant, wait, what are we talking about? Yo, was great until it wasn't? Yo. I don't really trade off the 4 hour, but I can look. The 4 hour? Oh. I mean, I see that we basically took the lows out from August 6th. Which is obviously looking good. I like that. I like that. I don't really look at like 4 hour and stuff like that. I get because how many? What do you got? Like 2 candles all day during New York. I like the 15. I like the 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute. I typically don't like trading that much heading into the last hour of the day, to be honest with you. Shit can get real squirrely around the last hour of the day. Like this gets up until like 65 or 70, I'm going to break even. There's no part of me that's like, oh yeah, we're gonna hold this and keep my stop low. Like if we get up in this area, I'm going to break even. This actually reminds me of yesterday. It's gonna come all the way down and then it's gonna fucking go. Dude, I couldn't get a close over that. Couldn't get a close over 54. I want a 1 minute close. I want a 5 minute close over 54. Oh my god. My ear is like so itchy from this fucking thing. I don't know. Oh, I need blood flow to come back also. I need better blood flow. I'm gonna go blue chew. Come on. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. What up, Zoida? Anyone taking the Topstep 3K challenge? I will. Alex, I'll take things I'm not gonna do for 500. Yo, is anybody over at Topstep TV gonna show their balances every day and their P&L? Then I'll take their challenge. Until then, I don't understand what they're doing. Just another show of people not showing fucking account numbers and no balances. No soup for you. Oh my god. I just need a big fucking candle. I mean, I've been on Topstep TV before. I was on Topstep TV like a lot. They were the first firm I probably used.
Order filled.
If they break this over 72 to the upside, I'll move up.
Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
Dude, I think that was actually pretty fucking clean on the copy trader, to be honest with you. That was actually super clean. Yo, DBT. Yo, I made what you wanted, dude. Yo, break even with an offset. Right? Then you saw the magic. I was like, magic all over everybody. Yo, Ron instantly banned from the fucking duck races today. Yeah, I've been working on that shit for a while though. It's not great. It's I think I just fixed it though. It's reading all the logs now. Every scale out was matched 1-for-1 on all 5 accounts. Everything ended flat. Okay. Compiles clean. Interesting. Oh my god, this thing just went. Fuck me, man. Wendy's BOGO? If we come back and retest 54, I'm rebuying, by the way. 54-ish. I'm gonna rebuy the Jim Blab. I heard that's a small one, by the way. Super small. Man. Test it out. Oh. I want to see a rejection and then back up. Give me a rejection and then back up. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, little buddy. No, we're not going to fucking reject. Yeah, it's been slow, man. It's been very slow. I mean, there's no reason to rush anything. You just kind of hang out. The last couple days have been pretty slow. I mean, the mornings have been great, but look at what today's morning looked like. It was freaking gross. We went nowhere. Like, we basically went nowhere until pretty much one almost 2 o'clock. I mean, it was, well, started moving around, I don't know. This was not a great day. I want to see a pullback. I'm long in a pullback. Yeah, that was the move. Run numbers. All right, you want to run numbers? I'll run numbers. You ready? All right, numbers game. Go. Yo, for keeps got it. 44. Come on down. For keeps. Oh, jeez. Come on. Come on. Yo, I don't think it was at all, ever. Oh, this guy still hasn't fucking gotten back to me. Come on, we need a dip. You're out of your short, Alana? Let's see what happens. Come on. I want to get long. I just would like to see it come lower. I just don't want to reject. I don't want to get in here. I want to get in like 30 points lower. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. We're like right there. Don't go up. Do not go up. Fuck, man. I'm going to get in this and get hosed. I think it's going lower. I'm not buying this. Come on. Give me a dip. Give me a dip. Man. Today's been rough. Slow, rough day. Ugh. You're short from 290? It's probably not a bad spot. What's up, Zoida? Here, for anyone that doesn't know. I would just watch out that, we make new highs here. What up, Zone? How's it going? I'm up in some accounts and I'm down in these accounts. I didn't really trade a whole lot today, to be honest with you. It's not the best trading. It's really not the best trading, so what happened? So I bought low and then it went lower. I was down 600. Actually, I was down 7 something in the morning. So I actually made a lot of my money back. It was just choppy morning. I missed out on a 100-point short last night because my thing wasn't working correctly, which sucked. Oh, I just cracked my back. Come on, come back down to like 55. Yo, what up, Martin? To ICT. ICT won't let me be. Come on. Come down for daddy. Come down. A gold trader? I mean, I traded a lot of gold. Once gold stopped moving how I wanted it to move, I just went back to trading NQ. Just wasn't gold. The volatility came out, and it just really wasn't respecting what I do, and I just kind of got off of it. This would be a great spot if it rejects. Also, they could just be flagging it to go higher, but so if you're going to short it, you basically short it up here and just stop out probably at like 306 or something.
Order filled.
Dude, I didn't. That just. Oh my god, did that just happen to me? Oh, that's because I freaking. It's just gonna start fucking lighting.
Order filled.
I knew it was gonna start lighting it up. I'm not risking much. I just want to see if they just dump it back down to my buy spot. Go. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I'm not even risking. I'm risking almost nothing at this point. I just want to see if they flush it. If they flush it here, awesome. If they don't, so be it. Come on, motherfucker. Just dump it. Stochastic's getting washed out to the downside. Probably going to bounce. Oh, I just clicked the button. I just clicked the button in Q. Now it can dump. Oh, no, I'm faking it out. Come on. No, I'm going to get stopped right here. It's too close not to stop me. Ooh. Oh, get those lows. Oh, are you kidding me? That didn't fucking just dump it? Oh, you kidding? See, when this came here,
Order filled. Order filled.
not a huge fan. Should have just sold off there. Didn't. I want this thing to do something for me, actually. Stop copy trading. Take this off. Let's see what happens. Just missed getting in my fucking level, too. It looks like it's breaking. I'm probably going to go long stop at 67. I want to see it break out and target like 385. I don't know if we're going to get there. We got fucking 35 minutes left in the market. I like it. I like it. I don't like the time of day or anything like that, but I like it in general. Oh, what am I going to do here? What am I going to do here? Should I just do it for the stream?
Order filled.
What did I say? 85? Let's see if it pumps. Yo, I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds.
US money market fund assets rise to $7.93 trillion at ICI.
Dude, I got no fucking snacks in this house. I got no
US money market
snacks.
fund assets rise to $7.93 trillion at ICI.
Come on, get over the blue line. If we can get over that, you probably have a clear shot for at least another 15 up. Yo, what up, cartoon?
Order filled.
Should have just held my original freaking position. Should have just held from 50. And said, F it. Blue line, yeah. I'm going to change it to a white line of resistance. I think it just goes. I think you can get a really nice run end of day here if they just... Nah, I'm like 50-50. I have 5 or 6 accounts that are up almost $300. And then I have these that are down. So that's, you know, it is what it is.
The Canadian minister in charge of trade ties with the US says we are very close to a deal and we are continuing to make progress.
Yo, Kim, you got to fill out the form, Kim and Alphonse. You guys are not going to be in. You don't fill out the form. Or Dream H, you got to fill the form out. Or Dream Tractor, yo, you got to fill the form out if you want to be in. Yeah, it's a weird day, cartoon. Super weird day. Damn, Jim. You just got to put your YouTube name in. It stops all the bots, Austin, is what happens. Because the bots just come in here, put a code in and leave, and they don't realize that you got to submit a form. So it takes all the bots out. It's like one big freaking filter. This thing, it's funny because I would forget to do that. Come on. Oh my God. This thing triggered. Did it work? Did this just work? Yo, it did not work. It either didn't work. No, I still have data. Oh my god, ES looks so bad. Have you seen what ES looks like? Yo, ES is probably gonna make new lows. Where's MES? Hold on. I might take this low. The whole time NQ is kind of bouncing. ES hasn't fucking moved up at all.
Order filled.
Why did this not work? Oh my god. I think if MNQ pops over, I'm probably cooked. But we get a rejection right here down. This ES is in one giant fucking bear flag. I mean, that's a bear flag. Have I ever heard of Canadian futures trader, the guy that comments about underage shit on Twitter? I've seen that. Is that what you're talking about? Yo, it looks like Chris Hansen's gonna go fucking be at his door soon. Bro, that guy looks like he's not allowed near a school. Dude, I saw somebody on Twitter post a bunch of shit that, like, comments he made. Bro, if I mean, did you see his comments he made on fucking X? Like, honestly, somebody should go look into his computer after seeing some of those comments. I was literally, like, disgusted by the shit that he was fucking posting. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if you saw it, but I took a screenshot of it. Here, I got it somewhere. Hold on. Come on, we dropping this shit? I'm looking for it.
So total money market fund assets rose by $900 million to a total of $7.93 trillion in the week ended August 19th.
Dude, just let this thing go. I'm looking for it. I got it. I got it saved. Internet never forgets. Come on. Dump it. No, we're not going to dump it. We just made new lows and they just bounced it. Well, if they allow you to say anything they want now, pretty much. But I don't know why I can't find it. I'm sure that somebody had it taken down, but it was crazy. Showed a photo of him and everything. Oh my god. Did this just happen? I don't know what's going on with ES and why it's so bad. I don't know why it's getting no pump today. It just looks like it's in a giant bear flag and it's just about to freaking give it up. Come on. Come on. I'm still hanging in. Boom, 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 boom. Market's moving like dick. It's so freaking slow. It's so slow. Where's Sean? Sean's at Nobu. I need this to roll back over. Drag this ES train down with it. Boom. No. Fucking crazy. What's crazy is I was fucking long at 253 and all I had to do was hold it. It was that easy, guys. I just had to hold it. It was that easy. So fucking easy. What's wild though is NQ literally just made this whole move and freaking ES hasn't even flinched. Yo, what up, soy boys? Yeah, I mean, it's just so crazy that happened. NQ has just ripped 100 and something points, and ES hasn't done nothing. What up, AD? It's just sitting there, watching and waiting. I think if I can just get a rejection here, you get ES to just roll over. YM is making lows? Yeah, that's what I need. It's exactly what I need. Dude, maybe I just texted him that. Let me see. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Yo, I got it, by the way. Yo. I got it. I got the link. I'm gonna fucking put it in I'll put it in main chat and Discord. You can see it. Dude, first of all, this is what the guy looks like. And like look at some of the shit he put. You know, like, bro, this guy's a fucking piece of shit. I saw that on freaking X. It goes further. I put the link in Discord. Canadian Futures Trader. I put the link in Discord if you want to read it. Bro. Man, it's people are fucking wild, dude.
Order filled.
Yeah. Now listen, I mean, they took his screenshot, so I imagine it's true. Yo, it's wild, man. NQ, YM is just dumping still. Come on, roll over, make new lows, and just drag this shit. I don't know. I'm short right now. Bro, all I know is, yo, I wouldn't be surprised if that koala had fucking peanut butter on its mouth after that photo. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. The craziest part is like people listen to that guy. Like people actually take his opinion. Which is probably the craziest thing. I don't know. If he ever comments on anything of my shit, I'll just keep pasting that everywhere on his comment. Like, bro, can you explain this? Can you explain this? Yo, just unload this thing. I want to flash down, is what I really want. Come on. Come on. Come on. Honestly, I should probably get the fuck out. I just went to get out. I freaking held the wrong button.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah! I never really trade ES, so I don't really know how it moves, to be honest with you. I don't really trade ES. So this is all different to me.
Order filled.
All right, cool. Whatever. Hey, man. What was that? Like 13, I don't know, $60, $70. And I take that. Look, these accounts were all down 700 and something dollars today. So I'm cool with whatever happens. All right, let's go back to MNQ. Yeah. Dude, that was a freaking great ass move off the bottom. Just didn't hold. I thought this was not a gimme, but if you look, MNQ is ripping and ES is not doing anything. You got to assume that when it turns around. You're aiming for a 750 point short. I'm aiming to bang a supermodel. Let's see who gets to the target first. I'm just messing with you. I hope it goes down 750 points, to be honest with you. I personally don't think so, only because these last couple of days we're just drifting around on super low volume that I think if they were going to sell it off, it would sell off. What up, Calvin? I shorted at right now. Good idea. I mean, I've seen better ideas. I mean, it's 12 minutes to the market closes, my man. If you're up, I probably wouldn't do anything. How's that sound? I mean, you're shorting into stochastics are down. You're shorting into the 200 moving average. It might hold 300. Like, probably not shorting. Also, at 350 is market on close. This is about to go one way or another pretty fucking quick. It's going to flash one way or another. So, like, right now, you're going to gamble. Just keeping it reals. I hope it hits for you. I am not gambling.
1 minute remaining now for the market's on-close imbalance.
Dude, this might just fucking pop.
Order filled.
If this keeps running, I can make 20, 30 bucks here. I'm going to be out right before MOC. I got 18 seconds. Just pop it. Come on, give me like 30 bucks. Keep going.
10 seconds.
Order filled.
Fuck that.
NVIDIA says the earlier information report on the company's LPU is incorrect.
See what I mean?
Close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 615 million, Nasdaq 100 sell side 48 million, Dow 30 buy side 76 million, Mag 7 sell side 255 million. So again, just to rehash the comments from NVIDIA. So they're saying that they have no LPU sales in the China market and has no China-specific LPU product in the roadmap. So again, we did have the information earlier reporting that NVIDIA was making an LPU chip for the Chinese market.
Hold on one second.
And NVIDIA is now denying
my
these
thing keeps
reports.
going off. Hold on one second.
So these comments from NVIDIA are coming from an internal emailed statement.
Need to make myself some fucking snacks. Yo, I'll tell you one thing, man. As much as this sucked today,
So keep in mind,
these
around 10
accounts were
minutes time,
down
we'll
like
get to the top
800 and
of the
something
hour.
dollars.
We are expecting comments from Trump, who's appearing with the First Lady at the Rose Garden.
Oh,
We'll
cool.
see if there's a live video. If there is, we'll make it available.
Fucking Trump now. Trump train! Don't get trumped. I got to update. By the way, I got to update my Ninja, my cross trade. I got to update a whole bunch of stuff. Suck big time.
And the live video is on the feed now for those interested.
I'll be honest with you, if you didn't blow a ton of accounts today and you made it through with limited damage, you did pretty well. Let's see if I can bring some of these up. See, like, this is how I end. Well, not ended, but I have these accounts that are up. So I have these accounts that are up. These accounts that are down. That's interesting. Yo, this thing triggered on this system and not my other fucking system. Are you kidding me? So I was trying to copy trade this. All right. So this sim trend is this script. Which, if you look at this P&L. It's basically a fucking quality P&L, right? Profit factor over 2, and it definitely goes for a long haul, right? It's not a scalping strategy. So I was trying to copy this in some accounts, and it triggered on this computer and not on my fucking laptop. What up, Nate? Yeah, that's pretty smart idea. Yo, Knob gets a night off. A night to recuperate. Yo, you know how I use that during earnings or non-farm payroll. That's what I do. So now you made bank on Microsoft options. I didn't even know you got in Microsoft options. Thanks for telling me, man. ES just shit itself. Yeah, back down. I would have got in. I'm just looking. Come on, Goblin Town? What is that, Cam? I'm not even looking at gold. I haven't even looked at gold. I don't know, man. This is fucking iffy. I'll ride an account for here, I'll do this. All right, I got drawdown. Jing, boom, 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 boop, beep, boop. We're gonna ride this, I guess. Last thing in the market, real quick. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna update my cross trade. I'm gonna take it off this fucking computer is what I'm gonna do. I need a little bouncy poo though. She's running, man. I need to get her. Yo, if you want to join the duck race, fill out the form. All you gotta do is put in your YouTube name. Yo, stay right here. Stay right here. Just stay here for another minute. I need one more minute. Stay. Another minute. Just stay for like at least 45 seconds. Ooh, I like this. Just, come on, I like it. Just stay right here. New minute, new minute, new minute. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? Dude, they just shot that up. I do not want it to be... I want it to be under the blue line is where I really want it to be. I wanted to give it up the blue line. Otherwise, it's just may not. Otherwise, it's going to have to go all the way up here. Or I'm just not going to get in.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yo.
Order filled.
What the fuck just happened?
Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, what the fuck was that? Yo, I should have got in at 302. I should have made $600 fucking dollars. Why did that just keep exiting out? I know fucking why.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Are you kidding me? That's why.
Order filled.
That's it, it's very interesting. That's fucking interesting. No. So why it was zeroing me out is because it was live inside my copy trader. So to maintain all the accounts to be copied correctly, you can't trade the ones individually if it's still live in the copy trader. The copy trader will zero it out, and it's a safety mechanism because the main account is zeroed out, that all the ones below it will be zeroed out to make it so you can't get into any hedged positions or anything like that. It's to protect you from hedging. It's protect, like shit like that. It's like other copy traders don't have that. So if I would go in long, which has happened to me before, and I forget that I'm in, and then I use the copy trader, and then I go in and I create a hedged position, and I lose my accounts, this auto shuts it off. It's a positive. I just didn't realize it. Other than that, I think I worked out the majority of the bugs. I have not had an issue. I have not had an issue with this since noon, since the last update I just did. And it even records all my orders. Just kind of tells me if there's an issue or anything. But yeah. Safety first, yo. Freaking get that Cove condom to make sure your accounts are safe. Nothing like a good Cove Trader condom. But yeah, from where I was at yesterday with this software, it's like almost done. Yo, got a double bag it. You don't know where those accounts have been. Stupid. So I'm going to stop copying. I'm going to turn everything off. I added a lot of shit on here to protect you. Why in Ninja and not other platforms? What other platform would you want this in? What platform would you want this in? I wouldn't touch those accounts. You're a Ninja Trader. What's up, D? Yo, you got to fill out the form if you want to get in on the duck race. What platform would you want it on? Like if you go and use Quant Tower has on Trading View. I didn't even know you can set up a copy trader inside Trading View, to be honest with you. I don't trade on Trading View because it sucks. What up, Yaris? I don't trade on Trading View because it's awful. I mean, listen, obviously, until I test this out for over a week, it's still going to be in beta. But if you want to play around with it, Trading View is such ass. I don't understand why you would use Trading View over Ninja. And I trade on, so even though that this is open on Trading View, you could trade on Tradeivate and it just pushes it through Ninja. Like I'm not placing trades on Ninja Trader. Yeah, I don't use Ninja at all, Jasmine. This just stays open. It actually does. I don't trade at all on Ninja Trader. The cloud-based copiers. So there comes a bunch of issues with the cloud-based copiers, to be honest. So if you trade the cloud-based copiers during the open, they fuck up. I've used TradeSyncer. I've used the other one also, and it sucks. This one also allows me to do a journal. So you can journal and shit like that. You can do your little calendar, like you can do your calendar and see everything and whatnot. And I mean, listen, if you have Ninja Trader open, you should be able to funnel trades through. Listen, I'm still beta testing it, obviously, but if you want to play around with the functionality and you can load up some sim accounts and you want to play around with it, if you see anything that you want me to add to it, you tell me what you want me to add to it. Right now, it has. I'll just tell you what it has before somebody's like, "Yo, add that." Literally, you can add a consistency rule to each account, a trailing drawdown to each. Like each account could have its own consistency rule, its own trailing drawdown, its own profit target, its own daily loss limit. You can go to break even on just one of them, or you can just flatten one of them. You bring them all to break even with an offset. You could flatten just the followers and leave the lead account. You could flatten all. You could flatten everything at a certain time to protect you from prop firms. I have a no hedging thing, so it doesn't hedge. Yeah, and it has the trade journal. Like, oh man, I can't wait to see this. Yo, yo, check this shit out. Yo, Cove Trader luxury condoms. Yo, at least they're luxury, man. It's the motion in the ocean. We can't fill it, so we shrunk it. Bro, extra small snug fit. Yo, at least it's ultra thin, baby. And quality. And discreet packaging. Bro. It's fucking awesome. Oh, man. Yo, hold on. Now, let me see something. Now you're going to get me to fucking play around.
So Broadcom's financing plan may include a $30 billion junior debt tranche. So Broadcom is currently discussing guaranteeing a part of a senior secured tranche. Blackstone and Apollo are in talks to participate in the chip financing. So that's Broadcom seeking more than $60 billion in its latest AI debt deal.
My short survived the close. Yeah, and if you held, it's looking good. It's looking. I mean, if you held your short and you could hold overnight, I would do it. ES is looking shittier though. ES is looking brutal. ES had no pop all day. Look at that. Just once it started selling, it. This is what you call the limp dick pattern. Look, there's nothing. Just wah, and you go down. Ah, let me get the old ducks up. The old ducks. All right, signups. Let's see what we got. Yo, so, check this out. I have all these settings. This is all my fucking settings. I gotta put that in the thing. Oh, let me do this real fast. All right, sort this A to Z. All right, so I'm just gonna take whoever submitted today. Hold on one second. Today only. A lot of people submitted. Right. I gotta fix the form by the way. So now that I got that done, bro. Yo, yours might have been good. You ready for this one? Dude, this is fucking brutal. Yo. Other great uses: water balloons, protein shots, ice packs, emergency gloves, phone waterproofing, a fishing lure bag. Yo. Bigger trades, bigger nights. I don't know why it says even dogs approve, though. That's a little fucking weird. But anyways. I don't even know how she's sitting. I don't even know what happened there. I don't know, man. Fucking AI, bro. AI. Alright, let me just cycle through this shit. Make sure I'm just taking out people that submitted more than once. Obviously. Can't submit more than once. Only one entry. I don't know what happened there. Boom, boom, boom. I'm trying to just delete the dupes. I'm deleting dupes. There wasn't that many people. Oh, dude, it's so crazy once you get rid of all the bots. Yo, once you get rid of the bots and all these people that are trying to scam the system. So funny. Yo, it's so freaking hysterical. Yo, you'd be surprised how many people are trying to scam the system. I don't understand. Just freaking have some fun. No, I mean like people using multiple screen names. That's how they're scamming it. Not entering more than once. They're just using multiple screen names. They're using like, they're just signing up different names more than once. Crazy. And you could tell that they don't click the link. If they just people that come in here put the code in and they don't actually click the link, you could tell that it's a bot because they never click the link. All right, here we go. Let's see what we get. What's today anyways?
Oh no. Not like
I signed up Martin. Yo.
Sean C caused this. So here we are.
I like big stops, I don't pretend. Tight stop traders get offended. One tick shake and they out to play. Marie still in like, yeah, I'm staying. Chart starts wiggling, Discord loud. Someone already panicking in the crowd. Stop too close, yeah.
Oh, you know what we haven't heard in a while?
Marie sitting comfy while the weekends cry. Chat moving fast, Mod say chill. Someone posting nonsense against their will. Cove reads a message, leans back slow.
Bruh, why would you even type that though?
Laughs a little, tries to refocus. Well, that just ruined mail for me, no hocus. Whole chat broken, stream derailed. Sean C smiling,
This is going great.
Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. Wicks get wild, she still.
Who do we got?
When the market chops and the setup's dry, she widen that stop, let the trade decide. Yeah, Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. While tight stops cry, and that's why market don't go sideways, cause I need cash now. Somebody tweet something. Save us somehow. Sideways candles.
Damn, is Sean C in here? Or is he deucing?
Someone types it. Everyone knows market don't
Yo, is Sean C deucing?
There it goes.
Big cold gals, no filter now. Bro, I need Trump to fucking tweet something bad right now. Chat explodes. Nobody learns. Marie still.
I'll give him the pass.
Turns. Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. That extra room keeps trades alive. If it wicks down hard, she won't comply with fear-based exits or panic replies. Yeah, Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. They came in loud, left in a fog. Too much small size, not enough log. Big stack flex.
Come on, baby.
Book shake, fourth candle look like a bad break. You saw that glare, then you saw that frown. Whole Discord knew he was cashing out. Hush now, count it slow. One more wick, and you already know. Billion.
Yo, is this guy in here? One time. Today. Wave high. You in here? You got, I don't know who you are, so you got 10 seconds. 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, that's a bot. I don't know. He's never said anything in the chat. Yo, he's in the crapper. Can't be deucing.
Yo, who the fuck is that guy? Yo, I'm gonna update it as soon as the stream ends, Jose.
Yo.
Looking at the market wrap for today's session, a bond rally faded and stocks sank on predictions that the Treasury's efforts to cut borrowing costs is only a temporary fix, with increasing energy prices also fueling inflation fears. Even as Treasury Secretary Bessent hinted at increased buybacks and anticipated fiscal plans, a 30-year rate jump.
Yo, I just updated, Jose. It should be in there in like 30 seconds. Oh, wait. Don't do it yet.
Yo, BK! Push!
BK, hold him off!
Oh! I see you, BK. Yo, I saw that, TJ. I'm like, no! Yo. Alana.
Yo, Jose, it's updated.
Yo, fucking Strawberry Duck never wins, Martin. Yo, Lee, you here? Lee, you here? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Lee, where are you?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Nah, Lee Watt's a real guy. He's just not here. He's real.
No deucing. Ooh. Let's see what else we got. Austin! Oh! Austin, premature frontulation. Diego. I'm waiting for the new person to say, hey, just add me. Yo, new person. Somebody's gonna say, yo, just add me. Yo, for the last one. I just saw you before. This allows me to set up the other shit too. Yo, add me. Add me. Hold on one second. Now I'm getting fucking Wendy's ads. What's today? Thursday? Oh, we're doing Penguins? Oh, look at that. Oh. Yo, he dodged like 9 paintballs. Too many balls hit him. Yo, discipline, you here? Yo, I love watching that shit. Tell me you're here. Oh, no. Oh, no. Are you not here? Oh, baby. Come on. Who's going to be pushing? Push. Sean's not going to win. Oh! That's my account today. Account has some gas. Funded today. So high. No. But my risk management is on point. Point. Pass my account today. I am funded. Gonna get that bag. Grab a big green brick. That wad of cash makes me think. I'm so slick. P. Diddy would be Yo, where the fuck is the download button? Pass my account today.
I can't find it. Yo, there you go, Lana.
Gonna make some cash. Gonna drive a Range Rover. Gonna get some ass. Can buy a lot of grass. My bank account has some gas.
Yo.
I am funded. I am funded. I am funded. I am funded. Finally funded. I am funded. There's no
Stopping me now.
Yo, this is the best.
Yo. Oh, man. My ears. Oh, anybody got questions? Questions? I'm trying to update this thing and I can't. I think I got to go into my freaking... my add-ons and delete it. I think my biggest problem is I added it to how the fuck did I do that? It's not even on my add-ons. Where does it, I don't even know where it goes. Oh man. How do you install the copier? You do you would go to new. Well, no, you go to tools, import, NinjaScript add-on. So I had these green, these red, kind of like a fucking wash of a day, but I don't know where this shit is saved to. I am going to load up this trend thing overnight, so I'll tell you how it goes. Last night it hit for 100 points. We're going to see what tonight brings. Other than that, I will be in the Discord later on, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I am out.